I'm Kelly D, and today we're going to make a quick, easy rechauffe dish. Now I'm sure some of you are wondering, what is a rechauffe dish? Well, we're going to give the food a makeover, or we're going to make a completely new dish from leftovers. We're going to reheat and reuse to get something amazing. After the holidays, I'm sure that you would have had lots of food left over. Well, today we're going to take some of those leftovers, protein. I'm going to use fish today, but you can use either chicken, beef, or any kind of protein, and we're going to make fajitas. So let's go over the ingredients. We have some steaks of pan-seared fish. Now, it doesn't have to be pan-seared. It could be baked, it could be fried. Just once your protein is cooked, we can use that. We have some sweet peppers, quarter of a sweet pepper yellow, quarter of a sweet pepper orange, quarter of the sweet pepper red, and a quarter of the sweet pepper green. The color just really pops and it looks amazing when it's sauteing. We have 1/4 of white cabbage chopped, just like the sweet pepper, half of a small onion chopped, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Oil for sauteing, half of 1 lime, and our taco shells. Now these taco shells are bought ready done from the supermarket. Once you have them, you just follow the instructions on the package to prepare them. 6 to 7 minutes in the oven at 325 degrees or 45 seconds in the microwave. Our first step is to debone the fish. So I'm gonna and once we've done that, we're gonna just cut it off into some small sections because we need it to be nice and neat and to remove all of the bones. Then we're gonna start to saute. Now we're gonna get ready to saute. So I would have put enough oil just to cover the base of the pan. And once it's nice and hot, you can feel it, I'm gonna add the onions. The onions are pretty robust, so I put the onions in first. We want to get them nice and translucent, so we allow the onions to saute for like a minute or so by themselves. Then we'll add our sweet pepper. These colors just look amazing, and you know how I feel about onion and sweet pepper when they start to saute together. So good, the scent, the aroma. You feel it, you're a real chef when you can smell onion and sweet pepper sauteing. These fajitas are going to be so good. They were first made popular in Mexico. So for anyone who wants to experiment with international cuisine, you must try fajitas. One way to reuse leftovers and still get an amazing dish. Now we're going to add our salt and pepper. Then we'll add our cabbage and allow everything else to saute for another 3 to 4 minutes. This is a really quick dish. This is really quick. Remember, we're not going to cook the protein for too long because it would have been cooked already. And we still want to be able to get some kind of value, nutritional value from the food, so we're not going to cook it again. So we're just going to add it to our saute as soon as it is almost finished. Then we are going to add it to the taco shells and make our amazing fajitas. Now we're going to add our salt and pepper. Then we'll add our cabbage and allow everything else to saute for another 3 to 4 minutes. This is a really quick dish. This is really quick. Remember, we're not going to cook the protein for too long because it would have been cooked already. And we still want to be able to get some kind of value, nutritional value from the food, so we're not going to cook it again. So we're just going to add it to our saute as soon as it is almost finished. Then we are going to add it to the taco shells and make our amazing fajitas. Now it's time to add our fish. So we're going to add the fish. Let me just get a spatula so nothing falls in between, and we're gonna just mix everything up together. And while this is sauteing together, all of the flavors are blending and mixing up, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop our taco shells in the microwave for like 45 seconds. Then we're gonna put them, our amazing fajitas, together. Now we add the lime juice to brighten up the flavor. Now it's time to put our fajitas together. So we have our saute complete. We will have used the microwave and heated up our taco shells, and now we're gonna just add our saute to it, and then it is complete. I can't wait to taste it. Our fajitas are done. It smells so good, I can't wait to taste it. You're just seeing the lovely pop of color and the green, the red, the orange, the yellow, and of course the translucent white fish. Now to really top it off, I'm gonna add one of my favorite condiments, sweet chili sauce. You know you love to get the heat. So once you add the chili sauce all over it, now it's time for that bite. Once again, so good. The crunch you get from the taco shell on the outside and the softness from the sauteed fish and all the other ingredients inside, so good. You just want to keep eating and eating and eating. So if you have leftovers, rather than eating the same thing again and again, make a rechauffe dish. Change it up. Give your food a makeover. Fajitas? Now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this fish dish, I'm going to encourage you to look over here, see my other fish dishes, an entire fish playlist. And when you have watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment and like this video. I love hearing from you.